This is video 122. It's about the load and store actions. There are 1,000 areas where 6 values can be stored. These are the load store areas. When the program starts, all of the 6,000 values are set to 0. In this example here, we're going to use load store area 122. We picked that value, well, because this is tab 122. So if we just use the tab numbers for our load store numbers, we'll be sure to have unique numbers. At the beginning of this routine, it loads the 6 values from load store area 122 into the control registers, question mark, through the %. And if you check over here at the control registers, you'll notice that the first 6 of them are the load store registers. At the end of the routine, you see it then stores the 6 values back to that load store area. Often you will want to initialize parameters for a routine. You can use load store to do that. Here they're loaded. Then the next thing you say is branch if equal, the question mark register is equal to 1,234. If it is, you go to DN. If it's not, you come down here and initialize the parameters for this routine. Well, we know the very first time it's not going to be equal to 1,234. So it's going to come down here, and then you can initialize all the parameters you need for the routine and set the question mark register to 1,234. Therefore, the next time it comes around, loads that value into the question mark register. This will be true, and it won't initialize again. But it will go down here and run the routine, maybe changing some of the parameters, then putting the parameters into those, well, the 5 of them. Don't put one in the question mark because that's your key one. But into the other 5 registers, and then store 122. Then next time when it sees the load 122, it'll put those parameters into the proper places and go down here to DN and run the routine again. Alright, that is video 122 about load store areas.